Guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine du Monde. So today we're gonna make some peanut brittles, or also known as aka Inkati cake. So for this we need some peanut and we need some sugar. It's basically caramelized peanuts. So I'm using roasted salted peanuts, for that, sweet and sour taste. So on pan I'm going to caramelize our sugar. Well, we're gonna crush the peanut a bit, especially if you want it into smaller chunks, or you can leave it as in bigger chunks like this. So on fire I have some sugar.
Ayesha
It's gonna allow this to caramelize and turn into brown.
a place where your cooking is a cat for.
Ayesha
Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cat for. Ayesha Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cat for. Ayesha Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cat for. Ayesha Cuisines.
Because once sugar
You are what you
caramelizes and
eat.
turns from solid
Eat
to
well,
liquid,
live well.
it becomes very hot, therefore it's likely to cause burn. So you have to be very careful.
Platform whereby
And
we cook
then
cuisines
we'll
around
allow
the
this
world.
to cook before
So
we
if you
shape it
like
into any desired shape
eating
of our
recipes
choice.
across the globe,
Guys,
then
this is
this
how
channel
it's
is for
looking
you.
like.
And you
As you
can
can
support
see,
it by
because
subscribing,
it's hot, I'm
liking,
not gonna
commenting, and
touch it.
sharing.
I'm gonna allow
That
it to
way,
cool.
you to get to
And
recommend
then
my
when it's
channel, and I also get
easy to handle, then we just shape
upload
it.
more videos.
Please give me a
Thank
thumbs up
you.
or like. Don't forget to subscribe and share. At this point you can off your fire so that it doesn't burn. So guys, let's shape this, shall we? It has cooled to the temperature we want, so we're gonna shape this quickly using this to shape it. So this is how it's looking like. Quickly shape it for a square shape. So yeah, guys, see all this? Yeah, just gonna quickly bring them together, and then we are done. See, it's easy to handle this way. It's not too hot.